Have you ever wondered how to make an AI video like this, or a very realistic like this? In this video, I will show you how to make a video like this using Gemini and Super Grok. Like and subscribe before we continue the video. First, we need to create the idea for our AI video using Gemini. You can type this prompt to your Gemini. Now we have a scene and narrative. The scene is useful for creating video themes and backgrounds, while the narration will be used to create AI voice for our video narration. Now you have the video idea. Let's open your Super Grok and make the AI video. Select the video generator, choose 6 seconds for the video duration and 720 pixels for video quality. Then for aspect ratio, choose the 9:16 for YouTube Shorts. Copy paste the scene, and from here you need use your own imagination to make the scene. For example, I will change some parts of the script. Copy paste this prompt for making the skeleton body. Then click generate. And now you have AI video like this. Repeat the process for another scene and edit with Premiere Pro or CapCut. You can add video narration with ElevenLabs and add it to your video. Share this video to your friend if you think this video is useful, and see you in the next video.